Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, and today I'm posting another video. Sorry I haven't posted in forever. I will not be able to post for 3 weeks straight starting Friday. This is going out probably tomorrow. Sorry about some of the background noises, but let's get straight into the video. Hashtag, let's make sure we hashtag in the comments. That does not look like a hashtag. Hashtag Anna's review. Please, 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 please. Anna's review and we've exchanged some of the toys I've showed you. We've done so many things together. I am actually subscribed to her. But anyways, let's get straight into the video. So, it looks like we have a Shopkins jar. So, as you can see, as you can see, it says Shopkins. And it's yellow at the bottom. And it looks like there's things in there. So let's take it out. Oh, it has a little melty moment on there. Do you see her? She's upside down, I think. No, she's not. There she is, little melty moment. So, twist it. Yeah, I just threw them off. There you go. Hello. There you go. So, ooh, look at inside. Look at inside. You can't tell, but there's things in there. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? There we go. It's kind of disgusting. Oh, you guys couldn't see that. There it is. It's like, not... It feels like slime, but it has stuff in it. Look! It's stuff... Oh, ooh, there are things poking out. Let's start. Oh! First of all, we have our little wafers. Hold on. I'll be right back. I got myself the ultimate update of Shopkins. Ultimate update of Shopkins. So I'm gonna squirrel to the back right here and find which one I'm looking for. I have Wanda wafer. This is little Wanda. Need to get her really close up to the camera. There she is. Little Wanda wafer. This is actually the Halloween edition. Do you know what she reminds me of? She reminds me of a Kit Kat here in the U.S. We have Kit Kats. I'm pretty sure that they're in so many other places. But let's see. We have the one and only little melty moment. Drop melty. Here she is. Little. No, look, I keep dropping her. Look. And I dropped her again. Here she is. Little adorable melty moment. Bye-bye. Now let's see. Oh, here we go. We've got a Max saxophone, Max saxophone. Here he is, little saxophony self. He's actually metallic-y. Sorry about the glare for him. Let's see. Is he getting pokey? No, it's not. Oh, I dropped Wanda wafer. It's not getting pokey. Why aren't you pokey? Oh, well, we got Shopkins falling out. We have, I forgot his name, but I don't have him actually in my checklist book thing. Oh, sorry. Because he's season 5, and that's, I'm pretty sure, a season 3 through 4. There might be a few season 1s in there. I'm pretty sure this one's Marshmallow, Halloween edition. We have Choco Lava. Sorry about the background noises. I don't know if I've said that enough. Well, many times. Oh, you have slime on you, Chalky Lava. There's Chalky Lava. Adorableness. Let's see who else we have. It's not Pokey. Oh, we got a repeat. Hold on. He has slime all over him. A repeat of Max Saxophone. So now I have 2 Max Saxophones. Oh, is it getting pokey? You guys can't see that, but I'm going to move it to the back. It's not getting pokey. But we do have Shopkins coming out of it. It's not very pokey. We have, I'm pretty sure this one's Bestie Butter. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure she's season 1 anyway. So she would think, oh, I know who you are. You're Mandy Candy, Halloween edition. So there, whoa, hold on. Is Mandy Candy, Halloween edition. She does have like a little spider web on it. You guys can see that, hold on. On her head. So that's really, really cool. That like reminds me of like Spider-Man having candy, and that would be his candy. I don't know why. That's what I remember. So we have this Veronica vase.
Talia, 2-minute warning. It's very late.
So it's really cool. Sorry about that background noise. My mom was talking to me. So I have 2 minutes to finish this, and I think I'm going to be able to do it. So we have Susie Sunday, I'm pretty sure. Hold on. Gotta go back to the back.
I understand. Can I just check this phone?
Where are you? No! Darn it! It's Banana Splits! Adorable little Banana Splits. Look, she can do the splits. No, she can't. She's Shopkins. Let's see. Oh, it's getting pokey. Yeah. We have ourselves a little garlic rose. Oh, is my breath garlicky? Hello? Hello? Is my breath is my breath so garlicky? Is it? I got some garlicky breath, I think. Whoa. Oh, I think I'm a little sick. Oh, gosh. Last but not least, little Shopkins we have in here. I forgot her name. That's a really bad note to leave off on. Here we are. So it came out with some really nice, some really pokey slime for us. Really stretchy. That was a terrible stretch. But the best part of all, that I think it flops. See? Whoa. Alright, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, I'm making a mess with this slime. This isn't like really slime. If you did, make sure you leave a big-o jumbo thumbs up. And if you guys want me to do more videos like this, make sure you leave down in the description. If you want me to do a video with Anna's review, leave that down in the description. Subscribe if you have not already. It's that red button that says subscribe next to my logo, which is an adorable little puppy dog. And I'll see you all later. Bye!